Welcome again to the topic integration. We want to see how to integrate exponential 2x sine 4x dx. Now, for us to be able to integrate this, let's derive shortcut we can use so that anytime you see question on this, you can easily use the shortcut and get it. Then you now say, I will get it from integrate exponential ax sine bx dx, where my a replace 2 and b replace 4 in comparison. Then I will call this d, I will call this I, and call this d. I'll put it in a tabular form, d slash I. D slash I. My D is sine bx and my I is exponential ax. And they said this D means differentiate. So when you differentiate sine bx, you'll be getting b sine bx. When you integrate D, you'll be getting 1 over a exponential ax. Okay? Then you differentiate this again. When you differentiate sine b, to be differentiate b as b. Differentiate sine cos, please, not sine. Okay? Then differentiate right b. Differentiate b as you say another b is what we get. Differentiate cos, you say is minus sine bx. Okay? That will be giving you b times b will be giving you b squared. We say minus b squared sine bx. Then differentiate, integrate this 1 over a squared exponential ax. So put plus minus plus. This plus minus plus you are putting is constant. Then connect this to this, connect this to this, then multiply these two with symbol of integration sign. Then what you now do is that you say, let me call everything here. Let me call it integration I. I will now say integration I is equal to this times this sine bx exponential ax all over a. This times this, minus is already here, minus b cos dx exponential ax all over a squared. Then plus times minus, minus. This times this will be giving me minus integration sine b squared sine bx exponential ax all over a squared. Then what you do next, you carry this to the other side, but note that your equation says that this is noted to be integration I. So I will automatically call everything here integration I. I'll call it I. This is integration already. So I will now say, take this to the other side. I will be having integration I plus integration b squared I all over a squared equals to sine bx exponential ax all over a minus b cos bx exponential ax all over a squared. Then when you factorize, you have exponential I or integration I bracket 1 plus b squared over a squared will be giving you sine bx exponential ax all over a minus b cos bx exponential ax all over a squared. Now carry this to the other side. Before you carry it to the other side, note that we have integration I equals integration I bracket LCM of this is a squared, that would be a squared plus b squared, then equals to sin bx exponential ax all over a minus b cos bx exponential ax all over a squared. So what we now do here is that we carry this to the other side and make I subject to formula. Our I is exponential ax sin bx equals to, taking this to the other side, it will give you sin bx exponential ax all over a divided by a square plus b square all over a squared, then minus b cos bx exponential ax all over a squared times divided by a square plus b square all over a squared. So we are trying to use this to divide everything. Now remember in mathematics that exponential ax sin bx, division, when you change division to what? Multiplication. You invert the next one, a squared all over a squared plus b squared. Then minus b cos bx exponential ax all over a squared divide, okay, times, let's write it so that it will enter. So we said from here we'll be having exponential ax sin bx times a squared all over a squared plus b squared all over a, then minus exponential ax b cos bx all over a squared times a squared all over a squared plus b squared. This we cancel this we cancel only one a. That will be giving you the exponential sin bx is equals to, what do these two have in common? Exponential ax all over a squared plus b squared bracket a sin bx, that will be what will remain, minus b cos bx plus c. So we've been able to derive the formula we need. So this is the formula we need to solve this question. We now say integration 2x sin 4x is equivalent to exponential 2x, where 2 is a, all over 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 4 plus 16 20, bracket 2 sin 4x minus 4 cos 4x plus c. Okay, remember a equal to 2, b equal to 4 from comparison. Thanks for watching the video. Please see the third aspect of this so that you know how you can also integrate it. Thank you.